Have you or have you not heard about the Drake and the Jack Harlow conspiracy theory?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so they've been hanging out a lot recently, right?
Yep.
And they're quite affectionate with each other.
They're pretty close,
Okay,
yeah.
so the internet's saying there's two possibilities.
Yep.
One, they are lovers.
Okay.
Possible.
Doubt it.
You know what's more possible?
What?
The fact that Jack Harlow could possibly be Adonis, Drake's son from the future.
That is the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
Is it? Is it really? Have a look at this. I'm going to send you a photo.
Okay.
Have a look at that. Tell me right now that is not Drake's son from the future. Something terrible has happened to Drake in the year 2035, and Jack Harlow has come back to save his father.